Which game engine is better when you want to get a job in a game studio? Unity or Unreal Engine? And this is not a comparison between the two, graphics, scripts, blah, blah, blah. No, I'm strictly going to talk about which engine should you learn if you want to increase your chances of getting hired in a game studio. And first things first, if you go on any website like LinkedIn, Glassdoor, Indeed, and all of these websites where job listings are posted, and you search for Unreal Engine game developer jobs and Unreal Engine game developer jobs, you will see that there are thousands of jobs available for these positions. And this is only in US. I'm talking about only US, and in the whole world there are tens of thousands of jobs. So game development is not going anywhere, just increasing. New studios are being opened and more developers are being hired. Now, me being primarily, or first things first, I'm still a Unity game developer. I started with Unity, and I'm not going to be biased over here. I'm gonna say right at the bat that your chances of getting hired are going to be much better if you learn Unreal Engine. Now, again, I'm talking about if you have to choose between the two. So if you want to choose Unity or Unreal Engine, and you strictly want to get a job in a game studio, that's your goal, then go with Unreal Engine. Why? Well, because most game studios, the big ones, I'm talking about the big ones like, AAA game studios, Rockstar Games, and yada, 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 even though they are now starting to use Unity Engine more and more, they primarily use Unreal Engine if they use a third-party engine, so engine that they did not create, but most of these studios, or a lot of these studios, are using their own engine. One of the big game studios that was using their own engine now switched to Unreal is CD Projekt Red. The people who created Witcher, they had their own Red engine, and now they're using Unreal Engine 5 for their new game, which I'm hoping is Witcher because I cannot wait to play that game. But this is my point. Unreal Engine is very similar to the custom engines these companies have. And most importantly, these engines use C++. To be quite fair, it's much easier to learn C#. So I'm going to straight out say that it's much easier. They both are object-oriented programming languages, so you can learn both. It's not a problem. You can learn both without any issues. You can learn C++ first and then C# and vice versa. You will not have any issues. It might take you, a few days, maybe 1 month or 2 months more to learn first C++. But the point is, when you learn one, you will learn the other. But the truth is that C# is not used in game development much outside of Unity. Yes, Unity is a good engine and a lot of studios are using it, but C# as a programming language is only used in Unity when it comes to developing video games. On the other hand, C++ is used outside of Unreal Engine. It's used even outside of the custom engines that game studios have built to create video games. So C++ primarily, the main, how can I say, it's the best game language. It's the best programming language for game development. So when you know C++, you can easily get a job in whatever studio. You can switch to another studio and yada, yada, yada. So my ultimate advice is learn both engines. Like, I was a Unity developer. I still am. I'm talking about in the past. I'm still a Unity developer and Unreal Engine developer. But when I first learned Unity, and when I switched to Unreal, it basically took me like 10 days to get a grasp of Unreal, to get a grasp of blueprints, and to get a grasp of C++. 10 days. That's all it took me. So you can choose any engine you want to learn first if you're a complete beginner. If you are an Unreal Engine developer, I will still advise learn Unity. You will increase your chances. You can list both on your resume. So the two best engines in the world, Godot people, it's the two best engines in the world. I would not look outside of these two. I would not look at any other engine. So Godot, yes, it's an up-and-coming engine. It's getting its fair share of the market in terms of people using it, but it's not used in game studios. I don't think there is a single game studio that's using Godot to create their games, whereas Unity and Unreal, yeah. So if you have to choose one, go with Unreal and C++. That will increase your chances much more. But of course, you can still get jobs with Unity. It's not like when I say increased chances much more, I don't mean like you have 90% chance of getting a job with Unreal and 10% chance with Unity. You can even apply to jobs that strictly use Unreal Engine or any other engine, and you only know Unity, because if you're good in Unity and if you know the fundamentals of game development, which I teach in Game Dev Pro, and show people how to transfer those skills easily, it will be easy for you to switch from Unity to Unreal. So these are just some things that you need to take into consideration. But overall, C++, it will increase your chances of getting a job in a game studio over C#, but learn both. Learn both, that's my ultimate advice, and it will drastically increase your chances of getting hired in a game studio.